Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to improve OBS video recording quality. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do as you may be finding your recordings you aren't quite clear enough and you want to improve them a bit, so come to the bottom right of OBS and click on Settings. Come over to the left and go and select like so. Then what you want to do is first of all come to the top where it says base resolution. I recommend just making this the highest possible for me, that's 1920 for you. That may just be 1080 for the output resolution. This is what it's actually going to be saved as. So for me, I like it to be as high as possible, which is 1920, but yours must be 1080. Select the highest possible one. If you go and use a lower resolution here, you can then go and use a downscale filter. If you do, just make sure it's as high as possible filter there. And then for the FPS, set that to 60 as that will be as smooth as possible. After you make any changes, click Apply. You can then go over to the left into Output and you want to come down to Recording. Just set the output mode simple by the way, so what you can do is go and improve the recording quality here. Personally, I keep it high quality because I don't want too larger full size. You can make it higher though here, but you will go and get a bigger file size. For the format, MP4 is going to be the easiest for the encoder. This will vary depending upon your graphics card, but if your graphics card has a hardware encoder, go and use it. You can then go and click Apply and press OK and go and see if that improves the quality. Hopefully it will have.